everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. As you guys can tell by today's video title, we have yet another Primark haul and I'm so excited because Primark has just gotten in so many autumnal things and honestly I just couldn't help myself. I actually posted another Primark haul maybe like 2 or 3 weeks ago. It was more of a summer / autumn kind of transitional haul, whereas this time we are diving into the autumnal trends and I'm so excited to show you guys what I picked up. If you guys are new here and you guys haven't seen my face before, hi, I'm Roxy, welcome to my channel. If you guys want to stick around, make sure you guys subscribe down below. But without further ado, if you guys want to see what I managed to pick up from Primark this time, then let's get on into the video. So as you guys can see, I did not come to play today. I picked up 2 massive bags of Primark stuff and there's a lot of like coats, there's a lot of trend pieces, there's a lot of browns and neutrals and I'm just living for it. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is probably the piece I am actually most excited for. As soon as I saw this, I was like, I am snatching this up. And it's basically this cardigan, which is, what is this pattern called? It's not checkered, there's like a specific name for it. I'm gonna Google it. I can't believe this. My phone is dead, so I can't even Google it, but let me know if you guys know what this pattern is called. I'm just gonna call it checkered for this video. Yes, it's this checkered cardigan. It's white and beige, and I am just obsessed with it. I've actually seen quite a lot of pieces like this on Instagram lately, and I actually feel like this pattern is gonna be super on trend for this autumn / fall. You guys are gonna be seeing this pattern everywhere, I'm pretty sure. So I thought I would just have a little kickstart on this trend because I'm always late to the trends, but I feel like for once I'm early. I am obsessed with the quality of this. It's such a nice kind of like knitted sort of fabric. It's super warm and cozy. I actually got this in an extra small. I feel like Primark sizing has been so off lately. I'm just here to tell you that none of the sizing that I usually get fits me in Primark, so I always get a slightly sized smaller now, and this was actually only £13, which I feel like is so affordable for a nice chunky cardigan. I literally cannot wait to style this over on my Instagram, so make sure you guys follow me on there. Okay guys, so here is the cardigan and what it looks like on. I've actually just worn the cardigan on top of some cycling shorts and I feel like it looks so cute as an outfit like this. I don't know about you guys, but I'm loving the trend of wearing just a cardigan as the actual top rather than over the top of something. This cardigan fits so freaking well. I'm obsessed with the pattern and I love the fact that it's not too cropped. Like, it's kind of just the perfect length. I feel like it looks so cute just like off the shoulder. It just looks super cozy and slouchy, but I mean, you can wear it like this as well. This is how it looks on the back, so the pattern obviously continues. I just love it so much and the fabric is really nice and warm. I just feel like this kind of cardigan is so versatile and it can be worn in so many different ways, so I'm really happy that I got it. Now the next item I got was over in this sweater kind of section, and as soon as I saw this, again, I just had to have it. It is so me written all over. It's kind of like this patchwork style jumper. It's high neck, but it's all the neutral colors that you guys know I love. I just love how different this jumper is. I love the sleeves are a little bit more relaxed and I just love the color scheme. It's literally everything. So I actually got this in a size small. I wanted it to be a little bit more oversized and this again was only £13. They have a load of different cute jumpers right now, so if you guys are after a new jumper, definitely check them out in Primark. I just think they're such good value for money. They're so cozy, really thick, and I've owned Primark jumpers for like literal years and they never go wrong. They never go bad in the wash, so they're definitely very heavy duty. All right guys, so here is the jumper and what it looks like on. I have to say, this is so freaking comfortable and cozy. I'm just wearing it with the same cycling shorts underneath and I feel like it's long enough to like cover my butt still, which is really good. Sadly, it's not long enough to wear as an actual dress or anything like that, but with some cycling shorts, I feel like it could kind of pass off as almost a dress. I literally love the pattern of it so much. I think it's so autumnal, but still very like me. It's literally all the color schemes that I love. I really like how relaxed the sleeves are as well. They're very cozy and comfortable and the whole silhouette is just perfect. Also, I don't know about you guys, but sometimes when I have a turtleneck on, I don't know how to actually fold it. So the fact that this jumper is just one high neck piece that you don't have to fold at all is perfect for me. I don't know if it's just me, but I just struggle so much with like making turtlenecks look good because I never know how to fold them properly. Let me know in the comments if you struggle with that as well so I don't feel alone. But yeah, this is the outfit and what it looks like on. I am so happy I got this jumper. It definitely fits very nicely. Now the next item I bought is actually these 2 little bodies, which I'm sorry, but don't they literally look so expensive? Especially this one. I just love this charcoal gray kind of color. I love them so much. They do have the clasp cuspy, crotchy thing at the bottom. I just feel like they're gonna be so easy to layer over in the autumn, and I always need basic pieces like this in my wardrobe. So of course I got the gray version, and I also got this kind of tan brown sort of color, very similar to the color I'm wearing right now. I got one in extra small and then I got one in small just to kind of have variety. I feel like they're both gonna fit me pretty well though. These were actually only £6, which I feel like is such a steal because the quality of them is really nice. They're made of like this really stretchy ribbed fabric. Can you guys see like how stretchy this is? I can tell it's gonna be so comfortable and still really warm, so I can't wait to style these as well. They kind of remind me of like Yeezy for some reason. Okay guys, so here is what the body looks like on. I've just paired them with the same cycling shorts and I feel like this makes such a cute basic outfit. I can totally see myself wearing this for autumn with like a nice chunky coat over the top and some boots. I've got to say the fabric of this body is so nice. It's so body hugging, but it's very forgiving at the same time. Now I'm currently wearing a strapless bra underneath this and it always gives me this like really big ridge outline of the top of the bra under like any top that I wear. But with this, it is absolutely seamless from what I can see in the viewfinder. It literally looks like I'm not even wearing a bra underneath. So I am definitely very pleased with the fit and the fabric. It's so stretchy. I feel like I've still got so much room under here. So yeah, definitely very happy that I got this one. I guess let's try the other color on as well. And here is the second color. I love this color so much. Maybe not so much with these like nude trousers, but I can definitely see myself wearing this with a nice pair of jeans. In terms of sizing, this one definitely feels exactly the same as the extra small, which is really weird because this one is a small. But yeah, they fit very nicely. They're very snug and it's literally exactly the same top, but just in a different color. Now the next item is something that I don't wear enough, and that's a skirt. I have been always looking for like a really nice checkered skirt that fits me well and is in the color scheme that I prefer, which is obviously nude. And so I found this one, which I just feel like is so cute. I can totally see myself wearing this to like a pumpkin patch or like a forest walk, maybe with like some cute tights and some boots. I cannot wait for fall fashion. I actually got this in a size 6 because like I said, Primark sizing is just way off. So to me, this is more like a size 8. But yeah, I'm really hoping that I can get a lot of use out of this and that it will be really cute to style in like autumnal outfits. By the way, let me know if you guys would like to see one of my 20 outfit ideas that I do. I think I've done one for autumn last year and then I did one for spring this year. If you guys would like to see another one for this autumn, let me know in the comments. I will link my previous ones in the eye. If you guys want me to do one of those videos, I will definitely try to style this skirt because I feel like it's perfect for autumn. Okay, so this is what the skirt looks like on. I've just paired it with one of the bodies and I feel like this is such an autumnal outfit. Also, I didn't even realize this when I was holding up the skirt, but it actually has a tiny little slit on the side, which I think is so adorable. Honestly, if there was just one piece of clothing that I would have to kind of like say is the theme of autumn, it would definitely be a checkered skirt. I just feel like you can't go wrong. It's such a good transitional piece as well for like the slightly more warmer autumnal days. And I have to say the color scheme of it pretty much matches half of my wardrobe, so I'm so happy I got it. Now the next item I purchased is actually a coat and I just cannot wait to show you guys. They have so many cute coats in Primark right now, and when I saw this, I was like, what? How is this Primark? It literally looks like something you could get from like ASOS or H&M. It looks such amazing quality. This looks hella expensive and it was only £30, which I feel like is such a good price for a long coat like this. This literally will go down to my calf. Like that's how long it is. Obviously, I'll show you guys how it looks on. I did actually get this in a size 4 because like I said, the sizing is just so big for some reason. I feel like even for a size 4, this is still quite a big and like wide coat. So I'm hoping it's gonna fit me well. Obviously with coats like this, you do want a little bit of room so that you can like layer with jumpers underneath and stuff like that. So always bear that in mind when you shop for a coat. But yeah, I just love this so much. I don't own a coat like this in my wardrobe that's this long and this perfect in color. So I guess let's try this coat on and see how it fits. Fingers crossed that it looks good. All right guys, so here is the coat and what it looks like on. I am so happy I got this because it actually has real pockets. I feel like there's many times where I'll buy a coat and I don't actually check the pockets and then I'm so disappointed that it hasn't got any. But this time I forgot to check and then I was actually pleasantly surprised by the fact that they have very deep pockets. The actual fit I would say is pretty much perfect. It's a little bit like wide, but I would say if I went a size smaller, maybe the sleeves wouldn't actually fit me anymore. Like I said, I got this coat in a size 4, which usually is way too small for me, but this actually fits perfectly. I would actually say this is a size 8. Oh my gosh, I've just realized you can actually do this coat up both ways. So you could do it up this way or you could do it up this way because it's double-breasted. You guys are definitely going to be seeing this coat on my Instagram all the freaking time throughout autumn because I love it that much. Now, the next item I picked up is actually another top. I feel like I've actually owned a top like this years back and I'm kind of feeling it again. I feel like it was so trendy back in the day with like the lace-up kind of middle part of the chest. I'm pretty sure this trend may or may not be coming back, so I decided to pick it up and I love this so much. It's just a basic nude kind of stone colored top. It's got this lace-up kind of detailing, but the rest of the top is pretty simple. It's just a ribbed kind of fabric. I really like the fact that it's got a long sleeve. It's perfect for autumn, and yeah, I just love the color. I got this in a size extra small and it was only £8, so again, I feel like it's such a good bargain. So I guess let's just try it on and see how it fits. So here is the top and what it looks like on. As you guys can see, it's such a nice fit. I really like the fact that it's quite cropped. I probably wouldn't wear them with these cycling shorts, but honestly, they're like the only thing that I have laying around right now. In terms of the fit of the top, I would say it's a really nice fit. The sleeves are the perfect length. They're not too long, not too short. I really love the lace-up detailing. I feel like it just adds a bit of something to the top. Otherwise, it would just be so plain. But let me know what you guys think of these tops. Do you think this trend is over? Is it coming back? Regardless, I still really love it. And now for the very last item of the video, we have another coat. And can I just say, this is the softest faux fur fabric I think I've ever felt in my life. I wish you guys could feel it and touch it. It's like this gorgeous plush kind of fabric. I'm obsessed. The coat is basically this massive teddy bear cropped coat. I don't own a teddy bear coat that's cropped, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna invest in one. I got this in an extra small and this was £25, but I feel like it is well worth it because it is so thick and just so cozy. It's lined with this sort of fabric. I don't really know how to explain it, but it's pretty pleasant to the touch. I do kind of wish that it was lined with this fabric on the inside as well because I can tell it would be so cozy. What kind of color would you guys say this is? It's not like super gray. It's kind of like a in between of beige and silver. Let me know in the comments if you know what this color is called because I honestly cannot tell you, but it's so cute. So this is what the coat looks like on. It's like literally 1,000 degrees in this room right now and I don't even have my window open because my blind is down, so I'm like roasting in this, but it is so cozy. I can tell it's gonna be so warm for autumn and winter and it's such a cute like style. I really love the cut and the silhouette of it. I feel like this sometimes happens with teddy bear coats where they kind of look a little bit chunky and wide on you and they kind of just swallow you, whereas this one, I feel like it's still pretty tailored and I love the fact that it's cropped. It just means that it's not that much. Like if you want to wear some nice trousers and show them off as well, you totally can because they're not going to cover it up. All I have to say is that this coat is absolutely perfect. It's definitely very warm, so I have to take it off right away. But I'm going to give this one a big thumbs up. If you guys need a new coat, pick yourself up one of these because it's cute. All right, guys, so that is everything for today's Primark haul. I know it wasn't as big as my usual hauls, but to be honest, there wasn't that many things that I felt like I needed for autumn. I already have so many clothes anyway, but I just felt like I would show you a little sample of what's new and what's good at Primark. I definitely feel like I found some gems. If you guys would like to see any more new Primark hauls in the future, let me know in the comments. I will have a whole playlist of all the ones I've done in the past in the eye. Also, before you guys go, I do have a quick little favor to ask you. If you guys are not subscribed already, I feel like I say this in every video, but there's so many of you guys that still watch my videos and are not subscribed. If that is you, please take the moment to subscribe. Come and join the dinosaur family. I would love to have you here, and it definitely helps me out with my algorithm as well. The YouTube algorithm has been so annoying lately. I feel like half of my videos are not showing in my subscribers' subscription boxes. So if you do miss out on some of my videos and you would like to watch them, if you enjoy this channel, please be sure to click the bell button as well. It just means that you guys get notified of every time I post a new video as it happens rather than like finding it a month later. Genuinely, I would really appreciate it. It would definitely help me out a lot. So thank you so much for doing it. As always, thank you guys so much for being here. I really appreciate you all, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.